Hello students, welcome to English online class. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Prose, Empowered Woman Navigating the World. This is the title, Empowered Woman Navigating the World. In Unit 3, all the three parts, prose, poem and supplementary, it is fully based on woman. It is woman's power, woman's strength, woman's empowerment. So in this lesson, we are going to see the woman's power. So here, the differentiation between ancient woman and modern woman. So in the ancient woman, the women were dominated by men in all the field. In education, they did not study proper education. They couldn't come out of their house. So, but in modern woman, it is totally opposite to ancient woman. The modern woman, so in all the field, they are developed. All the field they have developed. So in tremendous improvement, many field in present situation, in present society, in all the field, education, army, etc. In all the field, the women have developed more than men. So in this lesson, we are going to see the circumnavigator. What is meant by circumnavigator means to travel all the way around. To travel all the way around, by the ship or boat. That is circumnavigator. That is to travel all the way around. Here, the 6 women crew participated and created an history in India. Actually, the 6 women participated in this operation and created an history. So, circumnavigated, which means to travel all the way around. So, the next one, the 6 crew members traveled by boat nearly 254 days. They took 254 days to travel around the world. 254 days. That is INSV. What is meant by INSV means Indian Naval Ship Vessel. So INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. So this is the boat name INSV, and INSV, the full name of the boat is INSV Tara Tarini. So Tara Tarini means the Tarini, which stands for temple in Kanjam, the place which is situated in Odisha. So Tarini means it is a temple in Kanjam, the state in Odisha. So what is meant by Tarini means, actually it is a boat name, savior. When the sailors who are moving on the sea, they pray the god, that is Tarini. Tarini means it is the name of the god, it is a savior. It is the safety for the sailors. Before going to sail by the boat or the ship, they pray the god, that is the name Tarini. So Tarini means a boat, that is meaning savior. So INSV, Indian Naval Ship Vessel, that is the first sail boat. So this is the first sail boat, Indian Naval Ship Vessel, and Tarini means a boat savior. So in this project, nearly 6 women participated. In this project, how many women? Nearly 6 women participated, and they were showing their power and strength and created a history. So why they were traveling? So what is the purpose? So what is the project name? So why they were sailing by the boat nearly 254 days? So what is the purpose? Okay, what is the purpose of the operation? So in this lesson, the project name. So the project name is Navika Sagar Parikrama. The project name is Navika Sagar Parikrama. That is the project name of this operation. So what is the purpose? So what is their aim to travel by boats? Nearly 254 days. First one is promoting ocean sailing activities. So they wanted to promoting ocean sailing activities. Okay. The next one, collected and updated ocean and wave data. So they need to collect some collected and updated ocean and wave data, and also they have to analyze the marine pollution. So these are the important special features. Okay, they made the project name Navika Sagar Parikrama. Okay, so the 6 crew members participated on this operation. So when did they start and when did they return? So actually the voyage which is started on September 10, 2017. The voyage started on September 10, 2017 from Goa. So they were starting in Goa on September 10, 2017. And when they returned to Goa, May 21, 2018. Have you noted? That is, voyage started on September 10, 2017 from Goa and returned to Goa May 21, 2018. So, meanwhile, so they were traveling nearly 254 days. So, on 254 days, they have to face a lot of problems, difficult and critical situations. Yes, so they need to stop over 4 places. Already they had decided they needed to stop 4 places because they fill the fuel, also some food. As if it is any boat repair means they want to rectify. So they need to stop over 4 places. So the first place, that is Fremantle in Australia. First place in Fremantle in Australia. Second one in Littleton in New Zealand. Third one Port Stanley, the Falklands. And fourth one Cape Town in South Africa. So these are the 4 places. Okay, the boat have been stopped. Okay, so before they were going to the travel, so the defense minister hoisted the flag and he gave the farewell to the crew members. So it was an history. It was an history made by the woman. Okay, so we'll see the woman name. So who are all participated? So who was the captain for the team? So we'll see that here. So the project name is Navika Sagar Parikrama, and these are the important special features they needed to develop, that is promoting and sailing activities, and collected and updated ocean and wave data, as well as they wanted to see the marine pollution. Okay, so how did the pollution happen? So they needed to collect some information about marine pollution. So the next one, the voyage which was started on September 10, 2017 from Goa. Okay, and return Goa May 21, 2018. So it took nearly 254 days. So in the meanwhile, they decided to stop 4 places: Fremantle in Australia, Lyttelton, New Zealand, and Port Stanley, the Falklands, and fourth one is Cape Town in South Africa. So these are the important features, special features. So this is the important purpose of traveling by the boats. Can you understand? So what are the important things? What is the importance of this journey? Yes, we'll see the what are the members who are participated, who are involved in this operation. We'll see, students. So these are the women who were involved in voyage. So before that, the boat, it is an advanced boat which have all the satellite communication. Because they were sailing by the boat on the sea, they need to face a lot of problems. They wanted to communicate. Yes, so at the time it needs satellite communication. And Indian Navy's 6 women crew. Okay, so these are the 6 crew members who were involved in this voyage. The first one, Lieutenant Commander Vartika Joshi. She was a captain of a vessel. And second one, Lieutenant Commander Pradeep Jamwal. Pradeep Jamwal. And third one, Lieutenant Commander Swati Patarapalli. Swati Patarapalli. And the fourth one, Lieutenant Aishwarya Bodapatti. Aishwarya Bodapatti. And Lieutenant Vijaya Devi. And the last one, Lieutenant Payal Gupta. So these are the 6 members who were participating in this voyage. So it took nearly 254 days. So meanwhile, 254 days, they faced some important things, some sweet memories as well as some bad memories, some unforgettable experience. They faced a different adventure. So when they returned from the voyage, it took 254 days. When they returned from the voyage, they shared their experience. They were interviewed by the people. They shared their experience to the people, how they were sailing on the sea nearly 254 days. They celebrated Diwali, Pongal, Christmas, as well as their birthday, because it takes nearly 1 year. So meanwhile, they celebrated their birthday. So all the experience they were sharing to the people. They were interviewed by the people to all the crew members. So individually, so what they faced, what are the experience they felt. So they were sharing to the people. So this lesson, it talks about the empowerment of women. So the boat Tara Tarini, using the INSV Tara Tarini boat, they were traveling by the boat nearly 254 days. So after returning from the sea, they were sharing their experience to the people. So this is the important features of this lesson. Empowered woman navigating the world. So the first 2 pages, so what are the crew members who are participating, what is the name of the boat, and how many days they traveled. So who are all the members. So after returning from the land, they were sharing their experience to the people. So the next class will see the individual, every person, that is every crew members, their sharing their experience to the people. Okay, we'll see you in next class, students. Thank you all.